Are you wasting time with outdated weather solutions? Restoration companies need accurate data to target areas with roof damage. Subpar weather solutions can lead to missed opportunities and lost revenue. Introducing our storm map overlays. Built directly into our app, they help you find and track ideal leads effortlessly. You'll get weather notifications and unlimited map overlays tailored to your needs. Our app offers 4 map types: hail size, hail probability, hurricane data, and wind gusts. You'll also access 2 years of historical weather data to identify high-opportunity areas. With our new Storm Finder tool, you can see storm history within any U.S. radius. Set filters for hail size, wind gust, and hail probability, and get vital storm details to target your canvassing efforts. Plus, generate lead-specific forensic reports in minutes. Powered by Verisk, these insurance-ready reports give you the confidence to close deals without hesitation. Stop juggling multiple solutions. Our platform combines storm maps, lead tracking, and deal closing, simplifying your workflow and boosting your efficiency. Take control of your restoration business today. Schedule a demo and start maximizing your leads now.